heads of government, and it has achieved admirable and significant progress. As the succeeding chair, Pakistan will continue to support the existing mechanisms and welcome new initiatives. Excellencies, I also take this opportunity to welcome Iran as the new full member of the SCO family. Iran's inclusion as a full member will contribute to further strengthening of SCO. The proposals made by the Honorable First Vice President of Iran merit worthy of consideration by all member states. Excellencies, Pakistan is committed to the Shanghai spirit that stands for mutual trust and respect for shared prosperity and development. Shanghai spirit anchors our collective efforts in the face of great transformation in the geopolitical and geoeconomic arenas. SCO represents the collective voice and aspirations of over 40% of the global population. As leaders of the SCO, it is our fundamental responsibility to fulfill the aspirations of our people for durable and sustainable peace, security, and economic development. Excellencies, during Pakistan's chair of Council of Heads of Government, top priority will be accorded to fostering cooperation in critical and practical areas. These include enhancing connectivity and transport links, youth empowerment, investment in key sectors with high regional potential, such as agriculture, mining, minerals, energy, climate change, and information technology. Alongside, Pakistan will continue to strengthen cooperation in the field of education and poverty alleviation. SCO is the key platform for taking the vision of Eurasian connectivity to the next level. Pakistan's location at the crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East makes it an ideal trade conduit. Investing in our collective connectivity capacities is crucial to advancing our shared vision for an economically integrated region. In this context, Pakistan plans to host Conference on Transport Connectivity for Regional Prosperity this year. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is a force multiplier for regional connectivity. Lack of connectivity is an impediment to regional trade, investment, and development. CPEC does not only connect Pakistan to its neighbor China, but also offers all SCO member states a chance to invest in our shared future and full regional economic integration. Excellencies, SCO Business Council and SCO Interbank Association can play a vital role in fostering economic and commercial cooperation among SCO member states through strengthening interaction amongst entrepreneurs and promoting people-to-people contacts. The Council and the Association can also facilitate investment in areas of mutual benefit for all SCO member states. To advance these objectives and bolster connections among businessmen and industrialists from SCO member states, Pakistan proposes to host SCO Businessmen Conference early next year. Excellencies, transformation in the global political and economic order has been accelerated by the digital and information revolution. To equip our next generation with the required tools and skill sets to navigate these revolutionary trends, we should be proactive and preemptive. In this regard, empowerment of our youth is of foremost importance. It is imperative that we further develop our strengths and address our weaknesses in a timely fashion. Our policies of today can harness the tremendous human potential of our region. In this vein, Pakistan proposes to host a conference on youth empowerment through digital economy during our chairmanship. Excellencies, regardless of the varied stages of economic development, all SCO member states are still faced with challenges related to poverty and food security. We can overcome these challenges through common efforts and by learning from each other's experiences. We are confident that under Pakistan's permanent chairmanship of the Special Working Group on Poverty Alleviation, significant impetus can be provided to our collective endeavors aimed at improving the living standards of our people. We are currently in the planning stages of hosting the inaugural session of the Special Working Group on Poverty Alleviation, focused on leveraging digital technologies to enhance social safety nets in SCO member states. Excellencies, sustainable economic development cannot be guaranteed without durable peace and security, ensuring stability in Afghanistan. Certainly, this is something which is imperative for safeguarding peace and stability of our region. SCO Afghanistan Contact Group can play an important role in this regard. Reviving the contact group can foster dialogue and meaningfully assist the Afghan authorities in overcoming their economic challenges and building their counter-terrorism capacities. Excellencies, climate-induced disaster threatens humanity's survival and demands global solidarity for a global response. Pakistan is committed to working for a sustainable and nature-positive world that we owe to our future generations. SCO, as the most significant regional organization, is well placed to become the pioneer of multilateral practical cooperation for dealing with emergency situations. To tap on this mutually beneficial potential of our organization, Pakistan plans to host a meeting on prevention and response to emergency situations during our chairmanship. Excellencies, over the past 20 years, we have built a strong foundation for SCO's development cooperation metrics. However, implementation of many critical projects and initiatives have yet to see the light of the day. I wish to congratulate the heads of SCO's permanent bodies, Secretary General Zanwing and Director Rustam Mirzov, for their able guidance to ensure pursuit of our common goals without any harmful politicization of the organization. Excellencies, Pakistan consider it a matter of honor and trust to be chair of this important forum. It will be our endeavor during the period of our chair to accommodate all forward-looking initiatives that promote development of the SCO region. Pakistan looks forward to an active and positive participation of all member states to realize our regional potential. Before concluding, I would also like to commend the hard work and dedication of the national coordinators and all experts in various formats who helped in finalizing the documents and decisions that will be adopted and signed today. In conclusion, Excellencies, let me reaffirm Pakistan's unwavering support and commitment to the Shanghai spirit in addressing our common challenges and advancing SCO's goals and objectives of peace, prosperity, stability, and connectivity of the SCO region. I thank you, Excellencies.
बिश्केक से आप लोग बराह रास्त देख रहे थे। निगरान वज़ीर ख़ारजा जलील अब्बास